Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll be showing you how you can edit your WordPress admin password using phpMyAdmin. So I was trying to access my website and I'm getting an error. That is because of changing the WordPress admin username very often, or maybe managing multiple websites. So this is the username, and let me enter the password, and I can see it's not working. It's asking me to reset the password, and now I don't want to reset the password using my email. So there is an alternative. If you are using Hostinger or any hosting, just open your hosting. In my case it's Hostinger, and go to websites, and on a website go to the dashboard from where you can access the database. I'll go to databases, and you will see all the databases here. So you can see all the databases here. Click on enter my PHP, open the database that is connected to your website. That's where all the data is, and click on enter phpMyAdmin, and this will open the database. So from here it's very confusing. If you don't know how to use phpMyAdmin, just scroll down and go to WP users and click on edit, and this is where you can change your password and your username as well. So this is the password we have now. I'll change this to something, let's say tips with alam 12, and if you save this without changing the encryption, it will not work. So just change the encryption to MD5 and then click on go. That's it. Close this, go back to the login page and refresh, and enter the password here, tips with alam 12. That's it. You're able to log in now. So that's how you can change your WordPress admin password from your hosting, from your databases, using phpMyAdmin. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.